Leatherman Fuse multi-tool. Not a bad little tool. Scissors are sharp. Screwdriver works. That definitely works. Cut things. Focus. Alright. That works. I'm into systems and stuff. That's a little amp tuner. Works pretty good. Pliers. Yeah. They do plier things. Got a little wire cutter. Yeah, it cuts wires. That can even cut wires. Imagine that, huh? Decent little knife. Does alright. It's kinda heavy though, not gonna lie. That with this, pretty heavy everyday carry, but that tip is crazy thin. But for a self-defense blade, I'm only planning on using it once, so if I have to. Don't really want to, but yeah, you can see I carry it. Every day. This thing. Pretty good little package. As long as you get the 0.6 on coils. This thing's pretty nice though. My wife got me this for my birthday. That was pretty sweet. Shit locks. Hiya! I'll cut myself. It's alright though. I got band-aids. Yep. That's the extended EDC. I think I weighed this. It weighs... Oh, what it weigh? 12 to 14 ounces, I believe. And with this, I think it was a couple ounces more, maybe 16. That's why I'm switching to this, so I can carry a pistol comfortably. And I don't weigh my pants down anymore. Yep. Thanks for watching.